We run a renewable energy fund for sub-Saharan Africa. We are developing and building and operating renewable energy projects in this part of the world for the utilities and for, as in this case, industrial off-takers. This project is 5 megawatt of power just outside Nairobi, where we deliver the power directly to Bamboo Cement, who is reducing the cost of power so that they can make more affordable cement for the country.
For Bamburi, what we are addressing is the high cost of electricity, and we are a very high consumer of electricity because of our processes, and one needed to ensure that we have a sustainable cost of power and also address the issue of sustainability.
When we started in 2011, it was on an ambition to provide affordable, clean power to this part of the world. They have too little power generation. The demand is increasing all the time. They're expanding the grid to cover more part of the population. Need generation as well, and they need investments for that. And a lot of them have turned to private investors, international, local, to build out the generation. So altogether, we raised $300 million. We're now raising our third fund. Our investors are half private investors, pension funds, insurance companies, foundations, private individuals. The other half is from DFIs. Among the DFIs, the European Investment Bank is our cornerstone investor. They were in our first fund, and they were in our second fund. And to be honest, when we started, it was our first time into infrastructure and investment funds. And the team at the EIB really helped us a lot about how to structure a fund, how to do the work we're doing. The EIB has also been a lender to some of the projects. We have another project here in Kenya, in Western Kenya near Eldoret, 80 megawatt of solar power that the EIB was a lender to. They help us also build up our whole ESG policy, environmental, social engagement with the local communities. We typically, other than creating employment, where we make sure that there's a lot of opportunities for women, we also do community outreach, clean drinking water, electricity, schools, education, all kind of supports, which comes from the budget, which comes from the investors. It is not a donation, it's not a giveaway, it is investments for profit, but with a positive impact, both in terms of reducing global emissions, about giving the countries affordable power so they can have economic development, and work with the local communities so that we are doing some good for these people. It might not save all the people in a country of 50 million people, but the thousands that we reach out to do get a benefit for it. And it also gives us a good neighborship and give us a social license to operate. So this is we have been doing now for 14 years, and we expect to continue to do that the rest of our careers.